One night, a light-colored SUV arrived at a new housing development under construction. The vehicle pulled into a spot between two unfinished units and parked. A trained stealth monitoring security professional kept eyes on the vehicle to monitor its activity, then called to dispatch local police, giving them details about the vehicle and its location. Two police cruisers arrived on the scene and drove to the spot where the SUV was parked. The police officials exited their vehicles and approached the parked SUV. One officer went to the driver's side, while the second official went to the passenger side. The passenger was taken from the vehicle, handcuffed, and placed into the police cruiser. The driver exited the SUV and spoke with officers, but was not arrested.